Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is largest perimeter triangle. So here is given a question that here is given a vector nums, and you just have to return the largest perimeter of this length, okay? And you have to check, you have to also check that whether the triangle is formed or not. Okay, so for the triangle, the sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. The first condition that the triangle should follow that sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. So let's do this. Here is an example that nums 2, 1, 2. So the largest perimeter is, first you will check whether this sum of two sides is greater than the third side or not. You have to check for all these lengths, and after this you just have to return the maximum perimeter. In the same way, you have to find for this also. You can check for any two element. If it is greater than third element, then it will form the triangle, otherwise it will not. Okay, so let's do this. Sort nums dot begin, comma nums dot end, which is greater comma end. It will sort the element in descending order, and then I will check for end I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size, and then I plus plus, and then I will check the condition if nums of I is less than nums of I plus 1 plus nums of I plus 2, then I will return nums of I plus nums of I plus 1 plus nums of I plus 2. And after this you just have to return. If it is not, then you just have to return the 0, means the triangle is not formed. So let's run this code. Okay, runtime error. So I am comparing the element to the next two successive elements. So here it will, I have to do -2. So let's run this code again. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this code. Okay, this code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.